Tired of this Windows activation thing at the bottom right hand corner that won't ever go away? Just type in run in your start menu, type in reg edit and get into your registry editor. Go through these menus and go to each one that I show you right here. H key, local machine, all this stuff right here, and get down to this section to where you can edit in a value that's going to get rid of all that activation crap at the bottom right hand corner. So when you scroll all the way down, you're going to get to a section right here, and you're going to double click on the start. And when you do that, you're going to see a little value right there. You're going to want to change it from 3 to 4. You're going to want to press OK, close out your registry editor, and restart your Windows. And once you do that, you're going to want to get rid of Windows Update. So you're also going to want to go down to your start menu and type in run, and then you're going to also want to type in services.msc. Now this is going to bring up a different window, and that window is going to bring up your services. You're going to want to sort or just scroll down to Windows Update. Double click it or right click and hit properties. Then you're going to want to hit disable. Also going to want to stop the service. I don't show it in this video, but go ahead and stop the service, or you can just restart your computer after this and it'll turn it off. No need to buy a Windows activation license key just to get rid of this. Thank me later. Hit me in the comments if you got any questions.